Cut the cleaned yellowtail into 3 pieces. Cut the center section into 2 pieces. Remove fish bones. Shredded green onion. Ginger sliced. Beautiful pepper cut into small pieces. Range the yellowtail on a plate. Top with sliced ginger and shredded scallions. Pour in the wine, chicken essence. Marinate for 15 minutes. Steam for 10 minutes. Remove from the pan and remove the julie and green onions and sliced ginger. Garnish with bell peppers. Place shredded green onion, shredded green pepper, and shredded red pepper in the center of the plate. Pour on the steamed fish soy sauce. Drizzle with hot oil. That's done.